Welcome everyone, my name is Saurabh Pancholi and in this video we are going to discuss about the Python modules. Consider a module to be the same as a code library. A file containing a set of functions you want to include in your application is known as Python modules. So we can make modules according to ourselves, according to our needs and import them in our file which we want. So that's how it works. Let's understand the modules by taking this example. In this case, we are create this function named greeting and giving one argument in it, and when and this function prints hello plus the name. So when we save this file as named module.py in our system, and when we import this file in our another file, so when we import my module and when we call the function named greeting by this writing this code this dot and giving this argument, so it will print hello Jonathan. That's how it works. So similarly to functions, we have built-in modules in Python also, like platform. Platform is an built-in module, and we can call him. We can call this module by simply import this module and call the module name dot system. System is a function in this module. So let's execute this and we see it prints Darwin. So that's about the modules in Python, and let's come to the date and time. Date time, Python date time. A date in Python is not a date type of its own, but we can import a module named datetime to work with dates and date objects. So when we want date and time in our program, we import this module named datetime, which is built-in module in Python, and we simply import this by writing this line import datetime and datetime dot now. So datetime is a module name, and after this dot datetime is a function name, and after this dot now is another function which is built in this function. So we can import this and use this. So let's execute this, so it will give you the current date and time. So it is pretty awesome for use. Nice, right? So Python, now Python math. Let's understanding Python math. Python has a set of built-in math functions, including an ex- extensive math module that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. Built-in math functions, minimum maximum functions. So these two functions are return the minimum value in this and the maximum value in this, and abs is a function which is used for to make our value positive, and this pow function used for the power 4 power 3. So here x is 4 and y is 3, so this returns 4 is power 3, and squared sqrt is returns the square root of a number. So these are the floor and cell. This takes the upper, sorry, cell takes the upper round of value of this float value, and floor takes the lower value round of value for this value, and return this Python JSON. JSON is a syntax for sorting and exchanging data. JSON is text written in with JavaScript object notation. Python has a inbuilt package called JSON which can be used for work with JSON data. So as we all know, we import JSON first, then we convert from JSON to Python. If you have a JSON string, you can parse it by using the JSON.loads method. The result will be a Python dictionary. Okay, so when we get data in JSON format, we can use this method and we convert that data into dictionary, Python dictionary. So and then we can perform our operation on that dictionary very easily. So that is very helpful for us. And like this is a JSON format, and when we import JSON and call this method of JSON, so JSON is a module here, and we call a function which built in JSON module by write this dot, and after the dot we call the function name and passing the argument which is variable. So okay, and when we when we type this, we can get a dictionary in output. So there is a problem in slide this down, sorry for this. Okay, the result is Python dictionary. Okay, convert from Python to JSON. Okay, so we can again change the dictionary to JSON format by using this convert to the JSON.dumps method. You can convert Python objects of the following types into JSON strings by using this. So this is all about JSON in Python. JSON is very useful data type nowadays. So Python regex. So a regular expression in Python is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Regular expression can be used to check if a string contains the specified search pattern or not. Regular expression module in Python has built-in package called RE, which is referred to regular expression, which can be used to work with regular expressions and import the RE module. So we import that module, and we create a string in this variable txt, and when we call that module re.search, we can search the particular part in our string by using this method. So we can search the specified part of any string by doing this. So in this case we start here and ends here. So it search the the part of that string which contains the starting point by the and ending point by Spain for us. So this method used for this operation. So this is it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching this.